My name is Umar Akthar and I'm the co-founder and CEO at Koskii. We founded Koskii in 2016 with a vision to build a truly ethnic occasion wear brand for women. It's been an interesting journey since 2016. We have shipped to more than 12,000 pin codes across the years. We also are present on marketplaces, on Myntra, on Nykaa, and very quickly we'll also be launching international with our online space. We started with 4 stores, and as the number of stores started increasing, we learned that we need a warehouse. We used a very basic software to start running a warehouse. I think initially it was okay, but as the business started scaling, as we got from 5 stores to 10 stores to 12 to 15, and now we are 25, we started to realize that there are a lot of bottlenecks that started cropping up. We wanted to focus a lot more on building the business, which was a core, rather than trying to figure out how to run a warehouse. Sometimes it would take 1 day, 2 days for this to be picked, packed and sent to the store. So that was a big challenge for us, because you could not lose business because your inventory is not in the store in the right time. Once we started hitting these bottlenecks, we started to realize that we got to do something about it. And that is when we started looking out for software that can help us solve a problem. While we needed the off-the-shelf product to solve our core problems, we also wanted deep integrations into that software. So whatever magic we do on our side of the software would have been possible. So we were trying to find partners that can help us solve that problem. And when I started speaking with multiple friends in the industry who are entrepreneurs, who have been there, done that, and set up other sort of brands, different names popped up, but the one that consistently popped up was Increff. I was pleasantly surprised by the kind of feedback I got about Increff. With Increff, we ended up using 3 parts of their software. Right? The first part was the warehouse management system, and what we did is, while we used the software, we also outsourced the entire operations to Increff. The second piece we ended up using was the order management system to fulfill our online orders, whether it was our own D2C channel or the marketplaces. The third piece that we worked with them was to build and use the omni-channel, which is the SFS module, the store fulfillment module. Each of them had their own benefits. We never had to worry about inventory going missing or inventory count not being right. Our accuracy level has been close to 100%, and that's what we expect. And our products are very high value. So for us, having an accuracy of 99+% is very, very important. When our merchandisers intended to ship 100 pieces to the store, we shipped 100 pieces. There was never a time when we had to do 99 pieces. Having that just-in-time inventory going to the stores, getting sold, and the next day the same amount of inventory getting shipped, and that being a seamless, continuous process, Increff helped us make it happen. And it's just been going completely smoothly. We didn't have to worry about the manpower involved in doing that job. We didn't have to worry about training those people and building that capability. For us, it was like the entire warehouse piece was taken care of. So with Increff order management coming into play, I think they have a very structured way of how these orders get processed, which orders need to go first, what is the SLA for a marketplace, what is the SLA for a website. I think for me, if you ask me as an entrepreneur and you ask me what is the SLA you want, I said I want the customer to get the order today. You place an order today, I want them to get it today. And I think while we may think that's not so easy, we are starting to get closer to that. Today, a same-day delivery is a reality, a next-day delivery is a norm, and third-day delivery is an exception. And I think that's a significant progress that we have made using the order management system. And while I think there's one element of how quickly you're delivering, the second element was the accuracy with which you're delivering. We had a lot of issues where the wrong product would go to the customer, or sometimes the product would go missing. These errors and mistakes do happen. They are human errors. But a lot of this got streamlined and eliminated when we started working with Increff. What I liked is that solution-minded approach that the team had. Whether it was the founders, whether it was their tech team, Rajul would come on the call, sit with us and start discussing solutions. And we would come up with very interesting insights and very interesting solutions. And we built some of those pieces, like with the INSC today, which is a tool that is used for serialization. We enable our manufacturers to be able to actually print our tags and send us the products that are already tagged to our warehouse. And those were interesting ideas and journeys that we had through this whole process of getting onboarded with Increff. Every product needs a real business problem to solve. And when your mindset is you're open to solve the real business problem, that is when you build a world-class product. And I think Increff, Rajul and his team has done an incredible job of having that customer first thought process where they think मुझे तो customer की problem solve करनी है, and they are open to new ideas of adding on to that software to continuously evolve their platform to solve larger and bigger problems. Right from the team on the ground to the founder are all connected, and that is an end-to-end team that is helping you run your business and solve your business problems. I don't see that in most other software companies. Any day I would say if you have these problems, definitely explore Increff. Increff is one partner that you can definitely look at and rely upon.